Hello everyone, so how to install Everbloom Stories Editor app on your iOS device. So yeah, just go to App Store app and search for Everbloom. So this is the cool app which help of this app you can create cool stories either for Snapchat or Instagram or some other apps. So it has 200 megabytes size, so you need to have some free space on your device. So yeah, you can create stories for Instagram, TikTok or Snapchat. Add different layouts and a lot of filters. So there you have, the app is just installed. So there it is, and then you can just tap and open it. It's actually quite heavy. And then you can just sign up. So hope that's helpful and thanks for watching.